Are you excited for a great day on the stock market? Let's get straight into our trades. Welcome to everybody. Subscribe, ring the bell if it's your first time here. Let us know you're here and give us a thumbs up as well. That would be fantastic. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we'll give away a $10 cash prize today on the show. Very exciting stuff. All right. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. And we're getting ready for another exciting day here on the stock market. So cheers, everybody. Welcome, everybody. On YouTube, if we get to 100 likes, we'll give away a $10 cash prize today. So if you want to be on YouTube, it's youtube.com/at Martyn Lucas Investor, and we pay it out live on the show. So I'm feeling generous today. Have a bit of fun. If we get 100 likes, I'll do that. Okay, so links in the profile, youtube.com, or just type into YouTube, Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay. Let's get the comments on the screen here from YouTube. There's Bill. My wife is Shin, has 1 million of relatives made in China and the Great Wall. Do you maybe Fallon once removed? What's that? Incredible. I'm far less interesting than that, says Jason Fallon. Hamish. How are you, Hamish? Irish descent, I believe. Good morning, everyone from Octavio. Good morning, good morning. I've received some interesting news from Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit are expecting to fly again sooner than later. They have hinted so. I've made some moves back into Virgin Galactic and also Virgin Orbit I've got on watch. I'm waiting for it to go a bit lower. I've got some money on hand. Let me show you how much I've got here. If I show you my position, I've got $2,000 here in my buying power ready to go. I've also got some money in my Roth IRA, 422. As you can see, I'm up at the moment. So my overall position in my Roth is down overall, but over the day, it's up today. So there we go. So my collective worth is 34,975. So we're slowly working our way back up. Right. So we are looking at Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic. So we're expecting some news later this month for Virgin Galactic. And we're expecting a quick turnaround according to Virgin Orbit for... Oh, hello, Anthony Mallon has just become bronze. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Anthony Mallon, for becoming bronze on the show. We're going to give you all your perks and benefits right now then. All right, so let me have a quick sip of my medicinal Coke. Good morning, Pokemon. Let me go over to TikTok a minute. We've got some action over there on TikTok, as always. We often get little battles in the morning on TikTok. Let me put TikTok on the screen on YouTube, and you get to see who our top TikTokers they are. If you look on the screen in about 10 seconds, you'll appear up here. Pokemon is one of our regulars here. How are you, Pokemon? And we haven't got a top fan yet. We'll see if we get one during the morning. But we're already up to 99 likes. So smash the likes. Let's get it going. All right. You're not going to become a drunkard, are you? Project Freedom. This is Coke. Coca-Cola. Regular Coca-Cola. It's good for my throat in the morning. Anyway. Welcome, Anthony. So, would all my family members please put your cities and countries in and welcome Anthony Mallon, who's just become our latest member. So we're going to welcome Anthony in, and we want to give him a great welcome. So first of all, Anthony, as a new member. Oh, here we go. There we go. Look, it's all started. Look, we've got our top fan, Andy. As number 2, we've got Andy's now number 1. We've got a battle going on TikTok to become the top fans. There we go. All right, we'll come back to that. We're just welcoming in our new member, Anthony Mallon. You've got a blue badge. It will turn green. It will then turn yellow. It will then turn gold and then red in time. As a member. Also, you are now a member. You are entitled to many perks, and you'll get 20 times back what you put in. You really will. That's why we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube for live members who are live viewers who are members. You can also have a poll if you want me to ask a question to the live viewers. You can ask me and I'll do it for you. You can ask me to review a stock. I'll review a stock as long as it's available on Robinhood, because that way I keep all my show in one place so everyone can see exactly what I've got. From time to time, I'll even buy a stock that I review for you. So that's another thing. We also do exclusive content for our members. Members only videos. If you now look on the homepage of the YouTube channel, you will see our members only videos that only members can see behind the scenes, when we were in Virgin Orbit, when we were in Cornwall at the day trader party. All these things, look, you can see now as a member. If you are a YouTuber, if you ever go silver, you go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I follow all your social media, and I will promote you and get everyone to subscribe to your channel as well. And they all will. They most supportive people on YouTube you've ever seen, as you know. That's why you joined, right? On top of that, you also get, on your birthday, for you or any family member, the day before, the day of, or the day after, I will celebrate your birthday. I will go to the Martyn Lucas music studio behind me, and I will sing happy birthday, and you get to keep the song as well. That'll be your video to keep forever on YouTube, and you can download it. Andrew Grady, stop coughing. I know. So there are many perks. Also, now, as you are a YouTube member, I can upgrade you on Discord and give you full access so you can get all the top tips from our traders and investors. They are exclusive channels. It's free to access Discord. Here is Discord, but here is the Discord for you now, so you can get upgraded. So I'll open up Discord right now. You can also call into the show. You can also be on the show. So this is Discord right now. Let me open up the broadcast lounge so you can call in and be actually on the show. There you go. The broadcast lounge is on the bottom of the screen. You can call in, say hello to everybody, ask a question. As a YouTube member, you have that perk. So what I'd ask you to do now is go to Discord, get signed up. It's free for you, of course, as a YouTube member. It's free for everyone to access, but you get the exclusive channels. If you come in here to the welcome all screen, go in here and say hello. I will upgrade your account live on the show. I do it manually. I upgrade your account live on the show, so it's all secure and safe. Okay? I'll leave you with the Discord. So there we go. Another new member this morning. Thank you very much for joining our channel. All right, and we're here to help and support everyone 10 hours a day. And we also have, I forgot to mention, exclusive content and member-only chats and member-only events as well. All right, back over there on TikTok. It's all getting a bit exciting this morning. We've got Andy is now #2 fan. Oh, he's #1 now. He's gone back to #1. We had a bit of a battle over there this morning. We need 2,000 likes. If we get to 100 likes on TikTok, on YouTube, we're giving away a $10 cash prize today. Very, very good indeed. So join us on youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. It looks like Bill wants to get his top spot back. There is Bill coming in now. Lord Hart, welcome to Lord Hart. Joe's Rami, Joe Campana, Real Earth over, Nerd Jerk. Some very strange names on TikTok. Anyway, back to YouTube. Okay, let's go and have a little look. Let's bring all the comments on the screen. I need Coinbase to go up more so I can keep TikTok #1. I like it. It's on, Bill. It looks like we got a bit of a battle going on between Bill and Andrew Grady. Project Freedom says this morning that Sarah Kim was hard yesterday at 3. With Virgin Galactic. She has unlimited access to the company and all of its literature. Her title is in Executive Vice President, Chief Legal Officer, and Corp. Sarah Kim was hard yesterday at 3. Hard yesterday at 3. Project Freedom, I don't understand the comment. Hard yesterday at 3 with Virgin Galactic shares. I don't understand if you can just... I've got some information to say that Virgin Galactic could release some news by the end of this month, positive news. So I am watching, and also, so I'm starting to nibble back into Virgin Galactic again. And a small position. I've got 200 shares. Virgin Orbit also expected to fly again sooner than later. Apparently, they had it all prepared to fly again sooner than later. So I've only got 4 shares. I'm out of Virgin Orbit, waiting for a dip to nibble back in again. I have my long-term position, but still don't think the way they presented the company was very good. But I still don't like all that. That hasn't changed, but it does look like they are preparing to fly quicker than I thought. I anticipated it would be a year. Anyway, we've got a competition between Bill now and it looks like Bill and who? Bill's now number 2. There we go. And Andy is number 1 again. There we go. That was a battle going on over there. Mark Corn, 11 months. I thought it was 12. 11 months now. Mark Corn has been a member. When it's 12 months, Mark, you will turn gold. You've got a yellow badge right now. It will turn gold very soon. Okay, good morning, Ed Nevius. It was a plan to make people sell real BTC to buy the scam, says Mr. Clockwork. We're talking about BSV there. So let's have a look. She got a 50,000 sign-on bonus, and her pay is $250,000 per year. Project Freedom, great job last night, Martin. Oh, thank you. Oh, you all enjoyed the Disturbed Sound of Silence. For those of you that have not watched it, we had a world premiere last night. Here it is. If you've not yet seen it, it's my new video, Sounds of Silence, from the darkness of my studio. I hope you like it. Go and check out the world premiere. You can let it run in the background while you're watching on another tab. Still waiting for our new member to sign up here on, just come into Discord, say hello. That is, of course, our new member, Anthony Mallion, became bronze today. If he comes in here, I'll upgrade his account on YouTube. All right. Bill just sent a rose. It looks like we've got a battle still going on TikTok. All right. Coming up to our first quick break. Great job last night. Hired Ali Tisro. Let me read some of these comments. Crypto market has had a few nice days. XRP. There we go on the screen. Ali Tisro, Clockwork. I can't dwell on that. I just need to come back stronger. I have done it before, so I'm not giving up. Ali Tisro. I like the attitude. Ali Tisro, we need to have a conversation. You sent me some information. We need to talk after today's show. So give me a call. As a gold member, Ali Tisro gets 2 Zoom or 2 hours of video calls a month where he can talk to me about YouTube and so on and so forth. So or any business relevant to this channel. Okay. So that's what he's discussing. So give me a call later, Ali. Were you up last night on the bell? I couldn't find you. Were you on? Yes, we was live last night, Andrew Grady. We were live. And we had our world premiere after the show. Here is the world premiere. If everyone missed it, this was last night's world premiere of Sound of Silence. Please go and check it out. Real shame about the rocket launch. It was a great shame. But Virgin Orbit have said, and I'm surprised, they've said they're bouncing back quicker than I anticipated. In fact, than anyone anticipated. So we're starting to nudge back into Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. I've always been a bull for Virgin Galactic. I'm waiting for a lower price. I don't think it's going to come. So I've bought a small position, waiting for a drop, but I want to be in with some kind of position. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting for a pullback, but I reckon this is going to recover because they've just released the news that they are, on Twitter last night, they're going to fly soon. All right, well, that doesn't indicate a year to me. All right, so anyway, worth mentioning. Right. It might take 10 minutes for our new member to get into Discord, so we'll wait for you over there. All right, then. It's time for our first break. If you are a sponsor of this channel, as a member of this channel, which is $99 a month, you can be a sponsor member and you can get this space. Are you ready? Okay, here comes the space that you can be in. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. As a member of our channel YouTube sponsor, you can be in this space right here, going over to 20 platforms a day, 10 hours a day. And at the moment, you'd be the only one, so you'd get all the spots. What an amazing thing. Plus, links below in the description of the video. There you go. Quick sip of my drink. What do you think today, green or red? Well, tomorrow, of course, is CPI day. So it'll be a big day tomorrow. We could get everything dropped tomorrow. However, if CPI comes in lower, again, which is estimated, the markets could pump quite a bit. So you need to be in. You need to be in, but you got to just understand, don't be all in. We could see a pump tomorrow. So you want to be in, but we could also have a drop. That's kind of obvious, right? It could go up. It could go down tomorrow. There you go. That's about as good as you're going to get from me right now. Okay, so let's, we've got 20 watching and 17 likes. That's very good. If we get to 100 likes in today's show, we are going to give away a $10 cash prize. Not doing it every day, but I am offering it because we've not achieved it for the last 3 days. So I am offering it a $10 cash prize if we get to 100 likes during today's show. All right, so smash the like button. We're up to 18 likes right now. Okay. Virgin Orbit, I'm waiting to buy some more. We've got Virgin Galactic is now at 409. I've entered a small position because we've got news now that Virgin Galactic could release by the end of this month some positive news. Virgin Orbit also are saying that they're going to fly back quicker than I anticipated. I was thinking it would be a year. Well, they're saying soon. That doesn't mean it's a fact, of course, but it's worth just mentioning that they do think they'll be back soon. It's only, of course, just talk on Twitter, but I think it's worth mentioning. Okay. Okay. Let's, Sarah Kim was hired yesterday at 3 p.m. She's in charge now, but connected because Perfect, just being sued by the computer for a false... Hang on, Project Freedom, I'm struggling to understand your comments. Sarah Kim was hired yesterday at 3 p.m. She's in charge now, but connected because Perfect, just being sued by the computer for false with dissipation of shares. She has limited access to the... I'm sorry, Project Freedom, your comments aren't... I have to be sure exactly what you're saying, and it's not quite clear what you're saying there. I was just watching your video. You did really well. Was that the... did you watch the Sound of Silence one? Mark? Did you see the YouTube playlist I just put out, by the way? Oh, by the way, we are at we're just over 3,300 watch hours right now. 3,300 watch hours. So if you want to help me, we have to get to 4,000 watch hours. Otherwise, we're imminently about to lose our monetization on my YouTube channel. I have to have 4,000 watch hours. So to make it easy for you, here is the YouTube playlist. It's 2 videos that can run round and round and round. There it is. Let it run in the background. Keep it running on a separate tab. We have to get to 4,000 watch hours. Otherwise, we will be demonetized. Okay. News: UK commits to becoming global crypto hub despite FTX collapse. Good news for crypto there. I've heard that already. So that's good news, Ali Tisro. Thank you for sharing that. Virgin Galactic's going up quick now. I've got just 200 shares at the moment. I bought back in because news looks imminent. News looks imminent, and Virgin Orbit are saying so. In fact, I need to make 2 videos on this right now. So if you've just tuned in, smash the like button. If we get to 100 likes today, I'm giving away a $10 cash prize. Okay. Okay. So the time is 20 minutes. 20 mins, SPCE and, right, SPCE first of all, right. We've got a bit of a battle going over there on TikTok this morning. Thank you to all of you who are taking part in that. A little bit of fun over there on TikTok. We have people vying to be the top fan of the day. It's Andy, and then Bill is number 2 at the moment with nearly 4,000 likes. There's TikTok. Welcome to you on the screen in a few seconds' time. There we go. Right. Bull flag. XRP is looking good. Mr. Clockwork, bull flag. The ripple effects of CBDC will be huge, says XRP. We've got a special crypto series starting soon as supported by Ali Tisro. We'll bring you more information shortly. Ali, you need to call me after the show. Okay, so let's have a look. First of all, SPCE. Why am I backing with Virgin Galactic? Well, I will show you. My portfolio is up to date. It's going up quite quickly as well. Here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin... I'll try that again. I'm still getting over COVID, guys, so please forgive me for my coughing. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Galactic has been up now for a week. In fact, if we look at the week position, we're actually up nearly 17%. I sold my position. I took a profit. It dropped back down again. And after the Virgin Orbit disaster, which it was presented awfully. Investors didn't like it, and then, of course, we had the mist. It didn't get into orbit. Virgin Galactic dropped, Virgin Orbit dropped, everything went down. However, I've got some news. First of all, Virgin Orbit is a separate company from Virgin Galactic. We cannot connect the two. However, they share the same marketing and the Virgin Orbit and the Virgin brand. And I want to share some information with you. Virgin Orbit were supposed to be, I thought, and many people thought that would be a year out before we'd fly again. Because when you have a failure like this, there has to be an investigation, and this can take a long time in the rocket business. However, they have hinted, look at this, I'll share with you a Twitter piece from Virgin Orbit, and it is relative to the stock. That's why Virgin Galactic's up, and there's another reason why. Look, Virgin Orbit have just put this out 10 hours ago. Last night wasn't what we hoped for, but at the heart of Virgin Orbit is our people. What's important is we'll be back in orbit soon, and there is news to suggest that they have plans in place to get back into orbit very quickly. Now, that was a big surprise. We thought there would be an investigation. I'm sure there still will be. But this doesn't look like a year to me, like we first anticipated. So Virgin Orbit are preparing to go back into space very soon, or into orbit soon. Virgin Galactic has popped up. We also have news that Virgin Galactic might have some news for us coming in the coming weeks. In fact, by the end of January, we could have some news. So I'm backing with Virgin Galactic in a small position, just 200 shares. I am looking to buy it lower again and getting up to about 2,000 shares. So I am expecting it to go lower, but we want to be in, not completely out on this stock in case we do get the good news released quickly. Please smash the like button if it's your first time here, and as always, please do subscribe to the channel. Now, if this video gets 100 likes, I'm giving away a cash prize. All you've got to do is leave below this video, "Go Virgin Galactic." Go Virgin Galactic. If you leave that in a comment when this video comes out, I'm recording it live right now. If it gets 100 likes, I'm giving a $10 cash prize away live on the Friday shows when I always give away our cash prizes. So you need to be in. But all you got to do is like this video, watch it all the way through, and leave a comment, "Go Virgin Galactic," and you could be in a cash prize if we get to 100 likes. All right, fantastic. There we go. So Virgin Galactic, what do you think? Very exciting. I'm back on in. I'm holding my position. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a... I can't get to text you on Discord. All right, let me go over here. All you've got to do, Anthony Mallion, is use my link I gave you for Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through. You have to verify your email. It's a secure server, okay? It stops bots and scammers. Well, it tries to. We still get a few idiots come through. So it takes 10 minutes. When you are through, all right, you'll be able to go into the welcome all screen here. All right, you will be able to do it. It just takes 10 minutes. You've got to verify the email, and then you'll be here. And once you get here, I'll upgrade your account and make you a YouTube member. All right? Okay. You've done all that. Well, there's no reason at all. If you've registered, let me have a look. Let me see if you're online. Down here on the side of the screen, I will see Anthony Mallion. See, you're not in our server right now. See, you're not online. There, you're not in. It's in alphabetical order, I think. Yeah, it's in alphabetical order. Who's online? And you're not in at the moment. So there you go. If I scroll down here. Anthony, no, you're not in our server yet. Okay, so it hasn't let you through yet. You will be, and when you are, all our members will welcome you here into the welcome all. I used the name Raging Bull. Oh, Raging Bull. Okay, that's why I couldn't find you. Let's have a look. Oh, there you are. There you are. So I can see you on the screen. There you are. So you are in our server. So now you're in our server, you should be able to go to the Welcome All screen, the Welcome All channel, which is right at the top here. It's a public channel open to all, and go in here. It might take you 10 minutes to get verified, but it will work. I can see you, and once you appear, I will upgrade you. But there you are, Raging Bull. Okay. I can even give you a role now. Is that you? Let me just confirm it's you on the screen first of all. Is this you, Raging Bull? Just confirm that's you on the screen. I'm sure that is you because you've used a specific name. Let me just go over here now and give you a change of nickname so we know who you are. Anthony Mallion. We need to give you the same name. Anthony Mallion. We need to give you the same name on our channel. This is only on our server because people need to know who you are, especially as we are a financial channel. It's very, very important. There you go, Anthony Mallion. And now I'll upgrade you as well. I will give you YouTube access. You are now a member. Click member. Now you can see all the channels. Okay. So now you can not only just come into welcome all, but please do, so we can welcome you in, but also you can see the public channel, all the private channels as well. All right? Okay, we'll wait to welcome you in. Okay, back to the stocks right now. Quick sip of tea. It's 8 o'clock Central Time. Virgin Galactic. Oh, I need to make the SPCE video. So let's do that right now. 29 minutes. (29 mins Vorb). Here we go. Let's bring this in. Virgin Orbit. Okay. So, breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Virgin Orbit. On the flight the other night, I was very critical of the presentation of Virgin Orbit. I stand by that. It was awful. It was like a back bedroom in a garage with a black curtain on the screen on the back wall. It was awful, and of course they didn't get the job done either. However, I was wrong about one thing, or it does appear to be. They have now released some information on Twitter suggesting that they're going to be back in orbit quicker than anticipated. Perhaps they had a plan for this, which is great. Surprised me. I expected Virgin Orbit not to be in the air, not to be in orbit, and many other investors did for at least a year, because you have to be investigated, and these issues don't get wiped out and get fixed in minutes. But they put a Twitter post out. Of course, this is just a Twitter post. This is something good for the investors and encouraging them to hold the stock price up. But however, there is some chatter that this might be credible. They've said we'll be back in orbit soon. Well, if you're going to say back in orbit soon, that doesn't mean a year like we anticipated. So that is good. They have a contingency. So the Virgin Orbit stock has bounced back up again. I'm starting to nibble back in. I sold my position when it crashed down because I don't want my money locked up on Virgin Orbit for a year. That would be ridiculous. I could make money and come back. But Virgin Orbit is now back up 170. This is my position. I'll share with you on the screen. I've sold out. I've just bought a handful of shares, literally 4 shares, just to reposition, just to get a marker on my portfolio. And I'm looking for a pullback. I think it will drop to 160, 150, and I'll buy back then. But I wasn't very impressed with the presentation of the company, but I think the fact they've mentioned that, but more so there's information around the company to suggest that this is credible, that we could be flying sooner than later, that is very encouraging. Now, there's a lot of publicity around Virgin Orbit now. It got a lot of attention. It didn't do anything for the stock price. The presentation was awful. Obviously, they didn't have success with the flight either, but it looks interesting, the fact they are ready to go again, or at least suggesting they are. So I'm back in. What do you think? Now, if this video gets 100 likes, 100 likes on the video, I'm giving away a cash prize. So smash the like button. Every Friday, I give away cash prizes. So all you have to do is watch this video all the way through, click the like button, and leave the comment below. Go Virgin Orbit, and on Friday, if this video gets 100 likes, I will give away a cash prize of just $10, because that is more than I make on the video. However, it's a free cash gift I'll give to you on the show. We randomly pick someone. I'll show you how we do it on the show. All our rules are on Discord, so you can see exactly how we do it. It's free to enter, free for all. So let me know what you think. Go Virgin Orbit. If we get 100 likes, then we will give away a cash prize on Friday. There we go. Fantastic. Virgin Orbit could be interesting. I'm starting to nibble back in again. What do you think? Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Let's do a quick thumbnail. In fact, I won't do a thumbnail on this. I'll create something different. I'll create something different. So let's leave that for now. Right, it's time to go to a quick commercial break. Just 1 second. And we'll be back very, very shortly. In fact, in 10 seconds from now. So here we go. Okay, if you become a member of this channel as a sponsor member, $99 a month, you can sponsor this space. 20 platforms a day, 20 viewings a day on this channel. So you're seeing a lot there. or by being a YouTube member, sponsor level. Have your logo in that space. Fantastic, right? Okay. Virgin Orbit going down now. Now it's looking extremely bullish. For now, it's looking extremely bullish. XRP we're talking about is very possible if they win over SEC. Loading up on GERN and dropping Virgin Orbit. Now, LOL is it's okay. Got to dash. Take care all XRP. Thanks for being here, guys. Here is the world premiere last night in case you missed it. This was the sound of silence from the darkness of my studio. There you go, there it is. And if you're helping to support the music channel from being demonetized, here is the YouTube playlist. Let it run on loop, and you can help the channel grow and support this channel at the same time. There you go, there is the YouTube playlist. Right, did we ever get Anthony Mallion into the welcome all screen? Not yet. Anthony Mallion, he's online. He's in the server. So Anthony Mallion, come on in and we'll put you on the screen here. Welcome all. It should work for you. There's no reason why not. Okay, back to our main position. We are up today 0.35. The S&P is up. Got a very strong position there. 51% of my portfolio is there. Was on Luke this morning. Great song to trade with. Thank you. Thank you so much indeed. Ed Nevius, thank you. We're just over 3,300 watch hours. We have to get to 4,000. So if you could help me out, it would be really, really good. Okay, let me show you how you do it. For those who don't know, this is the YouTube. This is the playlist for you too. If you want to use this one, all you have to do is the link I've given you in the chat. Click play all. And then click loop. There you go. I'll run it right now, but it doesn't count for me. I'm just demonstrating. And there is the loop at the top of the screen. Can you see it? Just up there. You click the loop button up there, look, and it will run around. You can run around on a separate tab while you're watching this show. Thank you. It is 4,000 by the end of the month. I think it is by the end of this month because I started the month at I started last month. It needs to be a 365 rolling thing, and I need to be at 4,000 watch hours. And because I neglected my channel for this one, I've not been doing any videos, and it dropped to 2,700. We're now up to 3,300, just over. Thanks to all of you guys for doing that. So we're getting there. We're nearly there, and then we need to maintain it. And it just dropped in December. So I would imagine by the end of this month, if it's not at 4,000 watch hours, I will be demonetized, which means I won't earn any ad revenue and I won't be able to do super chats and live concerts after the shows. And that would be a great shame. A great shame. So please help me out with that, right? It'd be very much appreciated. And hopefully you enjoy the new videos. That's kind of the main point. Hopefully you do. All right. Just says update in 10 minutes. Okay. All right. Well, maybe it takes 10 minutes. It does take 10 minutes to get through. And we do that, Anthony, so we don't have scammers, bots, robots, stuff like that come into our channel. Unfortunately, we still do get a few idiots. If anyone messages you called Martyn Lucas with the same logo, it is not me. I never message anyone on TikTok, talking to you guys, and I never message anyone on Discord. I only ever reply to your comments, and I certainly never try and sell you any crypto. And that's all the scams always are. I never ever do that. So please do not get into any of that scam nonsensery. Nonsensery. That's a new word for you. Okay? Just so you know. Now then, I need to go through my portfolio and set some limit orders because I haven't got any set. And I've got $2,100 at the moment. This is my position to spend. That doesn't mean I have to spend it. I earn 4%, of course, on Robinhood. There you go, $2,000. I'm building up a cash balance. I'm up today with 33.7. My overall portfolio is now 35.4. Hey, I had a really nice bounce. Very nice indeed. 35.4 going up quickly. I like it. Subscribe to your... Oh, thank you, Mr. Clockwork. Thank you so much for subscribing to my music channel. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. So there's the playlist running around in the background. You can have that running in the background. Okay. I left my contact number on it, and it as I could do with a chat one day about my trading account. I left my contact number on it. What do you mean by that? You left your contact number on it? I've got no message from you, if that's what you mean. But anyway. If you are a gold member to my channel, you can have 2 hours of video calls a month where we can discuss your any business here on YouTube. All right. Okay. So sorry on Discord. I don't know what you mean about you've left your number. You've not messaged me yet, so I don't know what you mean. Oh, hang on. Did I not start the stream? Sorry, Chris. Look, I didn't start the screen. I forgot that a few times. Look. Sorry, Chris. I'm live every day on LSC. I forgot to click start show. I apologise. There we go. Live Streamer Cafe. We're there. We're there, and we're late. I apologise to my viewers on Live Streamer Cafe. I am late. Sorry about that, Chris. I'm the co-owner of LSC, and I just went late by my own stream. And I tell everybody to go on time. I can't believe it. Anyway, dear oh dear. Pff, yeah, pff, yeah, pff. It's right. Right, the S&P is up. That's 51% of my portfolio. Very, very important as well. Virgin Galactic is now up again. So if it goes lower, I'm adding more to it. Virgin Orbit, if it goes lower. So here we go. Let me add some limit orders because I've got nothing in place right now. I've got $2,000. So we're likely to get Virgin Galactic. See, I don't want to have too much time. I'm going to do it manually for now. Virgin Orbit. We've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. So I'm going to set a limit order here. A limit order for 150 shares, and we'll drop in 50 just as a marker. Good for the day. Allowed to execute in after hours. Review the order. 150. We'll just chisel it up. Vorb to $1. I'm surprised. This is why I'm chiseling back in again. The fact that they have released a statement that they're going to fly again soon. That really does interest me. I didn't expect that. That surprised me. It could be rah-rah. It probably is rah-rah. But if I can buy it back for about 20% less than I sold it, a small amount, and we'll watch what happens. Even below, that is what this scam deserves. Mr. Clockwork believes it's a scam. I don't believe it's a scam. I believe it's needs a remake when it comes to its presentation, but I don't think it's a scam. If you must place some limit orders, make sure they are absolute bargain prices. I'd wait for CPI, to be honest. I am not convinced CPI is going to be a disaster. In fact, let's have a poll on that, shall we? If we get to 100 likes, by the way, during today's show, we will give away a cash prize. So subscribe and ring the bell. There it is. If we get to 100 likes, we'll give away a cash prize. Smash the like button. Subscribe. We've got 22 likes right now. 33 watching. It's 1:15, so you know what that means. It's time for our quick sponsored promotional break. Be back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube member of our channel as a sponsor, $99 a month, you can sponsor this space. 20 platforms a day, 10 hours a day, hundreds of thousands of views a day across all the different platforms. You can sponsor this space. All right? As a YouTube member. If you wish to be a member of our channel, I'll put the link in the channel right now. Here it is. There's the invitation to join. And we're still waiting for Anthony Mallion to come over to Discord. I do have a message, it looks like, a private message. Message request. That a little look. Raging Bull. Ah, there we go. He sent me a personal message. Am I on yet? Right, you're now messaging me. All you've got to do is come into the welcome all screen, Anthony Mallion, and you'll be in. You just sent me a message. So here is the welcome all screen. Right at the top here, what the open public channels, but you can see them all because I've upgraded your account. And all you got to do is write hello in welcome all just there, and I will see you. All right, let's have a look. Orbit is not a scam. Of course it's not a scam. Spending way too money to be a scam. That's okay. You just accidentally found a flaw in my code. What did I do? I accidentally found a flaw in your code. What did I do, Chris? What did I find? Moving down the comments here, the point is that 50-50, it's 50-50. If it goes up, you're already invested, so good. If it goes down and you've saved your money, you can take advantage of the drop. That's right, 22. That is exactly right. Exactly right. It's okay, it's a good thing. Okay, I'm glad it's a good thing. The Church of Logic, yes, Orbit is real. Only Virgin Orbit is a scam, and Sir Richard Branson is a scammer. He went to space, and Virgin dropped below $4, and now, and what did he say? Or shall I say pump and dump? No, I can't say that. I don't agree with that. Just to be clear, Chris, I didn't start. I didn't start the stream. That was my mistake. Just so you know. Anyway, that was my mistake. Right, my portfolio is rising. We're up 0.5%. CPI tomorrow, of course. The S&P is also up. Branson is known to be a stock manipulator. Well. Wealthy men tend to be, right? I would imagine. We've got 10 minutes to go. Oh, I see. But right after you started it, it marked you're offline because you're not sending any data to the server. Ah, I see. I understand. Elon too. Yeah, all the rich guys by the sound of things. Okay, let's go to our main position right now. Here we are. We are up today, 0.5%, $134. Let's give you a detailed look at my overall portfolio right now. 33,782 overall. I'm worth 35,422. There you see it on the screen. My Roth IRA is 1,639. I got a 1% match from Robinhood, which is great. So that's my entire value right there. Lipo broke VWAP. Lipo. Top tip from Ed Nevius right now. Shall we have a quick look? Lipo. Is it a buy, Ed? Is LiPo a buy for me right now? Let's have a quick look at LiPo. It just broke. This is the top tip from Ed Nevius this morning. It is already up. Let's have a little look. When the screen refreshes, I give it. There we go. Up 80%. Up 80%. Straight up this morning. There's Ed Nevius' top tip. Who took the tip this morning? If you want the top tips, you can only get those. Anthony Mallion has done it. Welcome. Would everybody please just drop into a Discord and welcome our new member, Anthony Mallion. Yippee. Think I'm in. There you are. You're on the screen. Anthony Mallion, I've also upgraded you as well, so you are now a YouTube member. Look, there's your role. Okay? You are a YouTube member. You can now call into the show. Here is the broadcast lounge. If you go in there, you can call into the show live right now. Do it. Come on in. You can say hello. We can record it and you can leave a testimonial, which we can use in our videos. You can be on camera or just audio. It's entirely up to you. But there you go. Anthony Mallion, you are in. And I'm going to give you a nice day trader thumbs up that only I can do. There you go. There you go. You're very welcome. Great to have you in. Need to hold its high watch. Looking forward to GE today. Made a healthy gain last night. Drasmodia. Now, this top tip was posted by Ed Nevius in his channel on our server. You can get that as YouTube members. You can see those exclusive channels, all right? That is for our YouTube members. He provides that service for you free of charge. It's there. We now need 26 more server members, and we'll have 500. So if anyone could, who hasn't yet joined our Discord, why that's important is when we get to 500, we are a public server. We are discoverable publicly. So it'll be, it should help the server grow immensely, which will help the channel grow immensely, which means our cash prize get bigger and everything about the channel gets bigger, basically. So good for you, right? Here we go. That's Ed's top tip today. The S&P is going up. I'm already up. I'm already in. Virgin Galactic. I am up on it. 407 now. I've got a small position. I've got $2,000 to invest. How do I get in the show? Okay, what you do is you click the broadcast lounge at the bottom of the screen. There you go. See it on the screen there? You go into the broadcast lounge in the bottom of the screen. I will see you in here, and you can call into the show. You can call in, just click in the broadcast lounge, and you can be in the show. Roll out the red carpet. You made it, Jason Fallion. There you go. Come on in, and you can be on the show. And what that actually looks like, if you come in as a video, it looks like this.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com.
There you go. Or you can just call in like Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
There you go. That's how you can do it. Oh, I see him in there. Anthony Mallion is in. A brand new member is in our stream right now for the very first time. Absolutely awesome. Let me go into the broadcast lounge then. Anthony Mallion, so you are unmuted. Let me unmute you and you'll be live on the show. So Anthony Mallion, Mallion, good morning. You are live on the show. Welcome. How are you? Anthony, you are live. He's in the broadcast lounge. I've unmuted you. You just have to turn on your microphone and you are good to go. I have you in the broadcast lounge to call in. There he is. He's laughing away. How are you, Anthony?
How can you see me?
I can't see you. You haven't got your camera turned on, but you have got your audio. I can hear you. How are you?
Oh, I'm all right, mate. Yeah. I'm just having trouble trying to get this screen up.
That's all right. Don't you worry about that. We've only got 4 minutes to go. So what would you like to say to everybody? You are live now to thousands of people across 20 different platforms.
All right, mate. I'm just going to mute that one a minute. That's better. Oh.
Yeah, just mute.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm still trying to work this thing out. I ain't got your studio up on my screen yet. I've just got audio and that's it. Can't see you.
No, because you're talking to me in Discord, and I'm not showing my video in Discord. I'm on YouTube. All you're doing is calling in. You can call in via video or audio, and I will share that on the screen on YouTube. So just mute YouTube and just talk to me or show me on Discord.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm working it out. Yeah. Okay.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Would you like to say anything to the team? I've got to get back to we've got only 3 minutes to go.
Only hi to all the team and glad to be in on the in on it all with you. I find this a brilliant channel, and I can see this having a big prospect in the future. I reckon you should have your own share company.
Hey, Anthony, I tell you what, Anthony, if you just say that again, I'm recording this and I will use this as a soundbite. So just think what you just said there. Say it again, like a little commercial for the channel. And from time to time, I'll play your soundbite. So are you ready? Give me that again.
Right, if I can remember what I just said. Yeah, I'm glad to be in on the channel, and I'm surprised you haven't got your own shares on the stock market, because I can see your TV series booming.
Thank you, Anthony. I'll use that as a little sound clip. Very, very nice indeed. Anthony, have a lovely day. Thanks for calling in. If you ever have a question, you want to put anything to the team, you can call in via video or audio. It's entirely up to you. But thank you ever so much for tuning in.
Yeah, great stuff. There is one thing I need to talk about, because I've got a bit of a problem with.
You need to be quick. We've only got 1 minute.
I'll talk to you later.
Go ahead quickly. You got 1 minute.
Okay, right. What it is, I've got two accounts, one with eTORO, one with CMC Markets. With CMC Markets, I've got over £250,000 worth of shares, all margined in a correct order, so I'm only paying £4 in fees a day, but I earn more than that to cover it.
Oh my God.
And I'm waiting for the big whack at the top so I can put a massive sell on when it gets to 2000, because I'm actually on the gold with this one, and from 2000 the gold's dropping right down to the 1500s through the summer period, and I expect to get a whacking lump sum out of it.
Okay, what's the question?
I'm wondering whether anybody else has ever tried doing this. I mean, people do a day trade with the triangle, but I've actually got about 4 months worth of shares with the triangle.
Okay.
Get me good drink.
All right. Well, everyone's heard the question. If you want to go over there on into the general chit chat, have a chat with Anthony. If anyone can help or discuss that with him, please do. We've got 1 minute to go. Anthony will pick this discussion up again. You can call in again, and I'm sure somebody will jump in on the in the general chit chat and answer your question. Thank you, Anthony, for calling in.
Brilliant. Thank you.
You're welcome. There we go. There's Anthony Mallion. Let's see if we can get some help for Anthony. You too can be live on the show just like that if you want to call in. Fantastic. We've got just 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Smash the like button. Here's our position. Let's get ready to go. Just a few moments to go now. If you can help Anthony Mallion with that question, then you can drop it into general chit chat or wherever Anthony pops up on the stream. On the Discord channel. Very, very nice indeed. And you too can call in if you are a YouTube member. Lipella is going up. That was a top tip this morning in Ed Nevis' tips on the stream. Okay, just a few seconds to go. And it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're off. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's a drop. That's just a chart correction. Or if it holds, no, there you go. A chart correction. All right, we'll go through all the stocks now and we'll see what's moving. Vorb is up 6%. Okay, here we go. That's Ed Nevius' top tip there. The S&P is up 0.7. We're fully in. Virgin Galactic, we're waiting for a drop. We'll buy some more if it goes lower. Virgin Orbit is now up. Arrival is up 4.7%. Virgin Orbit is now up 3.61. We've got a very small position. We're waiting for a pullback to buy some more. We're not going to get too carried away just yet. Rivian. Tesla, we want to get some more Tesla. We've got 5. We took a profit. We sold half of our position. We are waiting to get some more Tesla. We've got a long-term position. Our overall portfolio is looking very, very good. YouTube Sustainer, what does that mean on the screen? Thank you ever so much indeed. I'm not sure what your comment means, but if you become a member, you can call into the show. Welcome to you. Hydri, I think that is. Here is our access to Discord if you want to talk live on the show. We're going to go for all our stocks right now. And here is also the invitation to join as well if you want to be a YouTube member and have all the exclusive content. Right, let's go. Tesla is falling slightly. My overall portfolio, there you go. It's up 0.42 at the moment. Not too bad at all. My overall position now is up 0.41 on the day, and my overall value of my retirement plus my investment account is 35,000. So we're doing well. We're looking for a deal on Tesla. Let's get back to our trades right now. Ed Nevis, $100 on rig, said the Church of Logic. Over on TikTok, good morning to you. Quick drink before we go through all the stocks. Okay, here we go. Welcome everyone to the channel. If you've just tuned in, my name is Martyn Lucas, voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. Let me give you a wave. That's the music studio behind me. We have premieres every night from my music studio. If we get to 100 likes today, we're going to give away a cash prize if we get to 100 likes. So smash the like button. We've just tuned in. We've got 50 people watching and 25 likes. So let's put a minute on the clock. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we're giving away a cash prize. Are you ready? 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. If we get to 100 likes by the end of the show, we're giving away a cash prize. Are you ready? Smash the like button. Let me zoom in so you can see how many likes we've got. Are you ready? Okay, we're up to 26. Here it goes. Let's get to 40 likes in 1 minute. There it is. 26. Make it 27. Come on. We get to 100 likes. We're giving away a cash prize live on the show today if we get to 100 likes. There it is. 27. On the way up. Keep on going. 29. Doing well. If we get to 100 likes during today's show, we will give away a cash prize. Okay. We're up to 30 likes. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff indeed. Right, let's go through all our stocks now and see what's up, see what's down. There's Ed Nevis' tip there on the screen. Virgin S&P is just dropping back. CPI, of course, tomorrow. Here's Virgin Galactic. Now, I haven't gone all in. I'm waiting for Virgin Galactic to go lower. I want to buy some more. So let's see. Right now, we're down 0.93. It's not cheap enough yet. We've got Virgin Orbit. That will also pull back soon. I want to get some more there as well. Rivian going down, 16.25. Tesla, we want to get some more Tesla. The overall portfolio is up though, as you can see, looking okay. We're still up 0.42%. Overall, we've still got some buying power. We don't want to spend much more unless we get a big discount today because CPI tomorrow. Nintendo is going bonkers, says Church. Look, 32 likes now. If we get to 100 during the show, we'll give away a cash prize. Tesla's going down. The overall portfolio is up 0.5% now. Okay. Let's have a look. Ali Tisro timed out our guest. What did he say? What did he say? Ali, what was wrong with Wahib's comment? Do you know what was wrong with that comment? It's in a foreign language though, so maybe you understand the language more than I do. I don't know. Ed Nevius, 510. I'm in again. Something to do with Swedish tour. Oh, I see. Thank you very much. Oh, I translated it. Thank you, moderators, for doing a great job as always. My moderators are the best here. If you come on and try and spam our channel, of course, we will have moderators time you out. We don't ban people unless you are really, really offensive. We encourage open comment. We want everyone to be here and share and discuss anything you want. As long as you are not rude and offensive to anyone, you can do anything you like. But we do time you out if you spam the channel, okay? Okay, the S&P is going up. We're trying to... there's Ed's tip. Ed said he's going to buy in again at 510. I'm in again. 510, I'm in again, says Ed Nevius. I missed that one this morning. My portfolio is up now nearly 0.6, or nearly a percent now. $200. Let's have a look. The S&P is going up quickly. Virgin Galactic just dropped to 401. 401. It bounced off 401. Okay. It's not cheap enough for me yet. Virgin Orbit. It's not cheap enough to buy anymore yet. I'm very excited. My portfolio is looking good. CPI tomorrow, of course. There we go. 33.8 now. Very, very nice. Still got plenty of buying power left. There's my Roth IRA. That's green. Not overall, though, I don't think. No, not yet. Not overall. Got a match, of course, from Robinhood, so we love all that. So my overall position now is 35.5. Getting better. So, back to the main position. 33.8. That top tip from Ed Nevius. We're up to 34 likes now. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we will do a cash prize giveaway. Do we gain any subscribers here this afternoon? Let's have a quick look. We are now at 6,031, 32. Oh, very nice indeed. How many people, and what are people searching for right now? 137 through the stream right now. That's pretty good. Very happy with that. Good. Looking good. Welcome, everybody. Up nearly 1% now overall. So the portfolio is doing nicely. CPI tomorrow morning, of course. So we are watching for the potential of a pullback. Let's bring some of these comments in. XRP, Ali Tisro, looking good. Be careful if BTC dumps. All gains will be wiped out. No more BSV on Robinhood. What's that? Fusion 301. What do you mean? Let's have a look. Where's my BSV? I've got BSV on Robinhood. So what do you mean by that? Ethereum. There's my Bitcoin. Okay, here we go. This is my BSV. After a regular review of the crypto, we decided to end support for BSV on January the 25th. What does that mean? Let me check what this means. BSV is being removed. Okay. We have got some... okay. This is very, very important news. Let me bring this up to you now then. This is breaking news. Thank you, I think it was... Who brought me this information? 22, wasn't it? 22. Okay. All right. Let's have a look. We've got some very important news here then. The overall portfolio is really doing well. Not me. Someone brought it to me. Got the Fusion 301. Yeah, Fusion 301. So let's have a look at it and sort it out. What am I going to do with my portfolio? 108. 108. This will rock my BSV community. 1 hour 8. I've got a lot on Twitter. 108 BSV. This is big. This is a big deal. This is a big deal. actually, I have to say. So we will cover it now. And BSV's dropped because of it. Right. Okay. BSV. And I've got the news all about it as well. So I'm going to show you what I mean right now. I need to react quite quickly to it. Sometimes you just can't. It's like a bloody race half the time. Okay, we've got it here. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. BSV, Bitcoin, BSV, disastrous day on Robinhood. Going to give you all the information, how we play it, what we do with it, and give you all the behind the scenes information as well. So first of all, smash the like button if you want to support this channel and you want to get this message out to more people. I really appreciate it. And as always, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If this video gets 100 likes today, on Friday, I will give away a cash prize on my show. So all you've got to do is smash the like button and leave the comment BSV in a comment below. And on Friday, we'll do a random draw. And if we get 100 likes, I'll give away a cash prize on the show, the money I make on the video. Okay, so have a look at it. BSV, after a regular review of the crypto we offer, we decide to end support for Bitcoin BSV on January the 25th. Because of that, it's collapsing. It's down 14% right now. Disastrous. So what do we do? How does that affect my position on Robinhood? Let me share with you exactly. So here is the news item from Bitcoin, from Robinhood. Let me share with you on the screen. It says here, Bitcoin SV update. Let me go straight into it. I'll zoom in so you can see it nice and clear. We regularly review the crypto we offer on Robinhood. Based on our latest review, we've decided to end support for Bitcoin SV on January the 25th at 6:59 p.m. Eastern Time. No other coins are affected and your crypto is still safe on Robinhood. That is good. What does this mean, however? You can continue to buy, sell, transfer and hold BSV until the deadline. If you live in Hawaii or Nevada, you can't buy BSV. If you live in New York, you can't transfer BSV. Okay, after the deadline, any BSV still in your crypto account will be sold for market value and the proceeds will be credited to your Robinhood buying power. So there you go. It will be added anyway. Other coins, are other coins affected? No. This only affects BSV. All other crypto you hold on Robinhood will not be affected. Any depending on what state you live in and depend on what state you live in. Is my crypto safe? Yes, we protect all the coins owned by our customers with industry-leading security. Nearly all of our crypto is held in cold storage and we never lend your coins or leverage against them. So, do I have to sell my BSV? No, if you don't want to sell your BSV and you live in a state where transfers are available, you can send it to another crypto wallet or crypto platform. However, any BSV that's still on Robinhood after the deadline will automatically sold and credited to your Robinhood buying power. So there we go. That's the state of play for BSV. So what am I going to do? Well, let's go back over to my position. As you all know, I invest and trade exclusively here on Robinhood. For transparency to all my viewers, it's very, very important I do that. So for me, this is going to go down. There's no point me transferring it. It will be sold when oh, there we go. There's your answer right there. Sell. Sell BSV. I want to sell all of it. BSV. Why can't I just sell all of it? Sell BSV. Just let me sell all of it. Oh, what the heck? It went right back down again. That was annoying. It's going to be dumped. Let me go over to it right now here. Sell. There's no point owning it. Sell all. There's my balance. There's absolutely no point owning it. It's just bounced up a little bit. 37. I'm watching it. There's no point me transferring it. There's no point me keeping it. It's going to be sold. It's only going to go lower. Let's watch it very closely. If I can just get rid of it. Is it going to go up anymore? I'm down 15%, but I don't want to hold it anymore. There's no point. This will only go lower. Dump it, says Mr. Clockwork. We're just holding. It's just going up a little bit. It's going up a bit. It's going up. See if we can get a quick bounce. It did bounce a few moments ago. I'll share with you on the screen the position here. Look, you can see it. I'll zoom in so you can see. And I'm about to dump it. I've got my finger on the sell. Just dump it. Well, I'm down $300. I don't want to just, you know, it is trying to go up. People are buying it at this level. I don't want to own it anymore. If I can't use it on Robinhood, it's no use to me. It's all right for you just to say dump it when I'm down $300. I'm down 197. It's trying to push up. One more downswing, and I'll go. As long as it keeps moving up, I'm holding. We'll just keep up. We'll come right back to it. Here's SPCE, Virgin Galactic. You talked about it. There it is, 418. The good news is coming. It does seem like that for Virgin Galactic. It's not going to rise significantly on that news. Sold. I'm done. I'm out. I'm done. I'm out of BSV. There we go. I've sold all my BSV. There's no point holding it anymore. There it is. I've sold it all. There's no point holding it. My money is invested with Robinhood. If I don't accept Robinhood's... there we go. It's all sold. It still shows in there, of course, the smallest amount, but I'm out. BSV has been sold. So what do you think? BSV has been taken off Robinhood. It's not looking good at all. It's gone down. I've got some money out of it. I'm not interested in holding it. I'm not interested in transferring it. It's of no use to me whatsoever right now. So I have sold it all. There we go. BSV, we're out. We're done. We've now got $2.5 grand in the buying power. And there you go. BSV. Is being removed from Robinhood. Okay, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. That'll come out as a video for BSV. Let me do a quick thumbnail for BSV. Seb Dean, welcome back, Seb Dean. Where have you been? All right, here we go. So head in hands, head in hands. Disaster. Okay, was that head in hands? Did that work? It's very blue, isn't it? Because the light doesn't like when you do that. Okay. That'll hopefully be a thumbnail. We'll see later on. Oh, thank you, Leah. Thank you very much for my coffee. Thank you. Right, so there we go. We're out of BSV now. There's no point owning it. Absolutely no point owning it. Okay, so get back to our main portfolio. We're up nearly 1% now. Good to be back. Thought I would check in on everyone. It's lovely to have you back, Seb Dean. You've missed a lot. I'm out now. It should pump now, yeah. There's absolutely no point owning it. What's the point of owning it if you can't... no point. It's lovely to have you back, Seb Dean. You've missed a heck of a lot, by the way. If you're interested, Seb, I released this last night. Two things that you might have missed. My world premiere from the darkness of my studio was The Sound of Silence. I want you to go and check this one out. And you might also enjoy my YouTube playlist as well. There's 2 songs I recorded. New style of music, new style of production. Go and check them out now. You can let it run in the background while you are watching this. And I need your help, Seb. My music channel is about to be demonetized as I've fallen below my 4,000 watch hours. So I'd appreciate if you could click on one of my on the YouTube playlist. This is it here, look, and then you click at the top and the little loop. Let it run. I need to get back my 4,000 watch hours very, very quickly. By the end of this month, I believe I'll be demonetized as I'm down at 3,000. I was at 2,700. And I'm now back up to 3,300, thanks to everyone here. Right, let's have a look. This is Ed's top tip, gone back up again. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic now, I am up 3.5%. Small position, but I'm back in again because the good news is around the corner, it seems. Keep the BS money for crypto. You can buy XRP on Robinhood. You can buy the XRP on Robinhood. Oh, can you? I didn't think you could buy XRP on Robinhood. You couldn't buy XRP on Robinhood? Are they now covering it? Let's have a look. XRP. It was unavailable. Ripple. Let's have a look. It was unavailable. XRP can't be traded on Robinhood. Real time. No, you can't. No, you can't. I didn't think you could. Only real-time data. Yeah, buy XRP with it. You can't buy it on Robinhood. I've just looked. I think it's because I'm located in Texas. Anyway, we're up now 1%. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is up big time today. Look at that. We got 200 shares, a small position. But we're happy with that. Virgin Orbit, we're up. Tiny position there as well. Rivian is up. Tesla. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's is presenting an opportunity. This is my long-term investment. I'd like to get more McDonald's if we can. Coca-Cola is also down. Still up. I've got to buy more Coca-Cola when I can. It's too expensive at the moment. J&J is going down. These are source of funds now to buy the high-risk stocks. Jasmine Coin, mate. Mr. Clockwork, me and Ali are working on a crypto package, and Ali is going to put it all together. We are talking about it at the moment. Do you think we have a flash crash after the Grim Reaper speaks? Well, I know, Tilray is up as well. Breaking news, Tilray. Let me go to my Tilray. Robinhood. Tilray is up 5%. We sold half our position. We're up now on Tilray. We have CPI in the morning. Rig sucks, says Church. Tilray. Okay, now we're getting a bit of a sell-off. It's starting to sell off right now. Let's have a look. A little bit of a downturn. Now, where's it coming from? S&P just dropping off a bit. Virgin Galactic is still up. I've got a small position, 423. Very nice. 30 positions, all green. This could be a first. Shall we look on my overall portfolio and scroll down? Let's have a look. Before we do, though, if we get to 100 likes during the show, we will have a cash prize giveaway. Subscribe or ring the bell if you've just tuned in, and smash the like button. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we'll give away a $10 cash prize. More money than I make in the video. We're up to 35 likes right now. Let me share on the screen. There you go. We've got 35 likes. If we get to 100 during the show, we'll give away a cash prize. There it is. 35. Smash the like button. Awesome stuff. Lucid's up. Everything's up now. Right, let me check my overall portfolio then, and let's see. Let's see if we've got everything in the green. I doubt it very much. I'm out of BSV. Did it ever bounce back? No, it's going down lower, look. It's going down lower. It's going to be destroyed on Robinhood. Yeah, I'm completely out of BSV now. Sold it. There's no point owning any of it. There's my entire portfolio. There's quite a bit of green. Yeah, most of it's green. Most of it's green. We could have a pullback tomorrow, though, on the CPI. So get ready for that. Scratch that. 28 green, 2 red. I told you, all get ready. Virgin Galactic's up 4.34. Below my average, just in case. Well, it's always an issue. At the end of the day, don't have FOMO. 421 seems cheap when it's $30, right? 421 seems free when it's $100, right? And I think it will. I think it will. However, you still need a balanced portfolio, though. You don't just all go in. And obviously, we've had a really good run so far. We've had a run now of a week. We're up 17% now in a week. Do I regret selling it? No, I don't at all. My portfolio's up. What's done is done. It doesn't matter. I made profit somewhere else. The money's deployed somewhere else. It's not like it's just sat there doing nothing. $2,500 is doing nothing. I just scalped space as it would be back under 4 close a business a day. CPI will not be favourable to stocks. See, Pete Barker's going, take a profit on it. I've got such a small position, I don't mind. If I'd had 2,000 shares now, I probably would scalp trade it like you. Think I'm selling my Rio today, but buy some back lower. FOMO hitting hard now. Got decent amount, want some more though. Yeah, FOMO is a very tough thing. Everyone gets it. Everyone gets it. It's very hard not to have FOMO in a market like this. We've had months and months and months of nearly a year, over a year of going down. Everyone's stressed, everyone's losing money, and now everybody wants to make money. But that's why a long-term position is very, very important. But here we go. Virgin Galactic is selling off. It is for the moment. How low will it go? I don't mind. I'm going to hold some. I'd like to buy it back lower, and I'll add more when it goes lower. Virgin Orbit, what are they doing now? See, the same thing. Be very, very wary of buying the pump like this. Anyway. Got plenty of money in my buying power. Earning 4%. Let's hope for a green crash. Green days are great, but we need red days to load up. That's right. And Crag is absolutely spot on. My Orchid Island capital has popped. Must be ex-dividend date soon. There we go. Everyone buys in to get for the dividend, right? So let's go through our position. We're up now 0.74. Lepella is doing well. This was Ed's top tip. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic, here we go. Want to go below 4 to load up again. Virgin Orbit is going down again. The pump and dump, Virgin Galactic. See, there we go. Mr. Clockwork saying pump and dump. Virgin Galactic, see? Careful. Why not add your BSV to your Bitcoin? It'll still in the same space. Oh, I see, Andrew. I'm waiting to discuss with Ali Tisra about a crypto plan. Virgin Galactic. I'm up 47% and counting. Automotive, all 10,000, all of my shares, and I think it's 25 cents a share, says Project Freedom. Check BAT, Martin. I'm fed up buying in at the close. Check BAT, Martin. I'm up after buying in at the close yesterday. Oh, that was the other lithium ones, Lit and BAT, wasn't it? Let me open up a duplicate tab. This is for Churchy. BAT, I still haven't got decided which way I'm going to go, BAT or lithium or any other one for that matter. But up 0.88. Congratulations, Churchy. My name is Ed and I'm addicted to trading. I have a problem. Right. Is anybody watching my YouTube playlist now? We've just got, we're nearly 3,500 watch hours now. We've got 3,350. We need to get to 4,000 watch hours. Please run this playlist in the background on another tab. If you can do it during the live show, it really helps me. Okay, I need to get to 4,000 by the end of this month. There you go. There it is. There's the YouTube playlist. Just click on it and let it run, and just click the loop at the top of the screen right there, look, and it can run in the background. With Tesla low, it has more upside. It does indeed. I think SPX will go up 1.5% more, then the bear market rally will be over. Well, look at that. I think SPY will go up 1.5% more, then the bear market rally. Oh, the bear market rally will be over. After CPI tomorrow, we might get a pump and dump. So you want to keep some money on hand for the CPI tomorrow. I've got 2.5 grand. If I share with you what I mean, I've got 2.5 grand here in my buying power for my general trading, my investments, and then I've also got 822 in my buying power over there on my Roth IRA. So I've got money to buy dips tomorrow. I'm going to set some limit orders later on today and have it all in place if we get some drops tomorrow. Okay. It's been said that the Brits do a real good Yankee imitation. I don't know if I'm any good at that, mate. All right, mate. I mean, I can't do American accent at all. Forward close to 13 resistance is approaching, says Church of Logic. Okay, let's go through our situation. Lipella, top tip from Ed Nevius. The S&P is just falling back slightly, but I'm green now on it. Virgin Galactic is just falling back a bit. We'll buy some more. We've got a nice position. I mean, look, it's 2.5% of my portfolio. I would like it to be about 5%, so I'd like to get more. When I had it at 20%, that was when I was using margin, right? At a lot more, a lot more expensive, a lot more money into it. But I'm not doing margin anymore. So Virgin Galactic is going up. Virgin Orbit is dropping a bit. Here we go. Might be able to get a bit more Virgin Orbit now. Martin, you need, when you get a moment, I need to log into Ionis oh, yes. Chris, shall we talk after the show? I'll be finished here in an hour or so. We need to do Ionis, don't we? Because we need to look at the server information and moving stuff. Anyway, Chris knows what I mean. BlackRock doubled down with Mullen Automotive, and they got rid of all of their Lucid stock. BlackRock doubled down with Mullen, and they got rid of all their Lucid stock. That's just coming from Project Freedom. I can't verify that because Project Freedom is not a member. So do not take that as fact. Project Freedom is not a member of our YouTube channel. So we don't know. We can't verify. Only members I can verify. So just so you know, it's the invitation to join Project Freedom should you wish to be a a YouTube member, and then you can get verified and do many more things. Virgin Orbit, you back in Vorb with 4 shares. With 4 shares, they released some news this morning that they're going to fly again soon, and the investors like it. I thought it would be a year, but it looks like they're going to invest again soon. So Virgin Orbit is back on my radar. Not at this price. I want to get it lower, but I have 4. That's nothing, just $6 worth of it. But I'm back in on Virgin Galactic now because it looks like we've got news coming in very soon. Yeah, sorry, not at all. Chris, I've put you on the screen. You can hijack the show as much as you like, mate. Right. If we get to 100 likes during today's show, we are giving away a cash prize. So let's have a look at where we are right now. We've got 42 watching. Let's get to, with 36 likes, let's get to 40 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here we go. 40 likes in 1 minute. Let's do it. You ready? 40 likes in 1 minute. Let's do it. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said it, chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up. There we go, 38 likes. If we get to 100 likes by the end of the show, we're giving a cash prize away. If we can get to 40 likes in the next 30 seconds, that's looking good. 38, come on. We've got how many people watching now? We've got 42 watching. So we should be able to get to 40 likes. Love it. 38. Nearly did it. Not quite, though. Not quite. Not quite. Okay, Virgin Galactic is going back up again. My portfolio is having a nice bounce today. At 1% now. 34,000. So my entire value of my portfolio is 35.6. 35.6. We're doing well. I'm bringing in $2,000 a month. 39 likes. We got there. We're not quite 40, but we're getting towards 100 now. Right. So there's my entire value. And just gone 9 o'clock. We just missed our commercial break, so we need to do that right now. So I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And if you are a member of our channel as a sponsor, $99 a month, you will be in this space. And you go over, there's 20, I'm on 20 platforms at the same time. So thousands of people, every time your your commercial gets seen across all my platforms, 20 times a day at the moment, at least. That won't last for long because as I get more sponsors, you won't be the only one. Anyway, here we go. Quick break. So if you are a YouTube sponsor, you will be in this space. Your logo or your links below in the description as well. You'll be right there. So consider being a sponsor to this channel. And it's just a YouTube sponsorship of $99 a month. There we go. Okay. I have a feeling Branson might want a successful Vorb launch before he sends people to space. Martin covers next launch. I cover all the launches, mate. I moved from Stoke-on-Trent to Cornwall because they had no nurses. The matron is making me practice the accent, my lover. Put a stop or order on rig 5:30. Congratulations, church. Virgin Galactic Delta lines come on service January the 13th, 2026. I believe that's on a Tuesday. Right, so that doesn't make sense. 2026. Project Freedom, that doesn't make sense. Since Virgin Galactic being sued, Sarah Kim has brought on to take charge on a lawsuit against Virgin Galactic. She has unlimited access to full. I don't understand your comments, I'm afraid. You're not a verified user. If you become a member of our channel, we can verify you and we can get your links on Discord. The day will come when I won't be able to read out non-members' comments. We're getting far too busy now, so we will be going over to members-only live chats soon and members-only streams as well. Okay. The portfolio is rising. We're now up to 1.21. Straight up today, but we could get we could get a pullback tomorrow. So it's worth having money on cash in case we do, and it's worth being invested in case we don't. So you want to have it both ways round. Roger Fuchong says, when everyone else is sell, you think there will be no hang on. Buy on bad news, says Roger. When everyone else is selling, once you think there will be no bankruptcy, even in a bankruptcy, you can come out a winner. Some of the company restructure and come back a winner sometime. Roger, just read his comment out. GameStop came out of bankruptcy, said the Church of Logic. We're now at 1.25. The Pella, this was Ed Nevis's tip. Let me go over to Discord. Does anybody want to call into the show? If you want to call into the show, the broadcast lounge is open. You can call into the show just like these guys.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Welcome to The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join The Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
Having a laugh, I like that one.
Best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNB Studios here. The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martyn's your man to go to.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
Martyn Lucas is a wonderful man. He has a wonderful British humor, which I love. This is a real person doing real things with our real family. I've been trading for a long time now, but I have also learned some things from Martyn, as well as he's learned some stuff from other people. And we are all trying to make it to our retirement so that we don't have to work anymore and enjoy life.
I would like to welcome the new members especially, and I'm so proud of this family and your work. Well, especially this family has been so wonderful doing some work for Uganda. On behalf of Zach, I would like to thank you so much.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Izumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello, and join the family.
Okay, I'm looking at getting some more Coca-Cola now. My average price for Coca-Cola is $62.21. We're down a little bit, and I want to get a bit more. This is a long-term hold in my Roth IRA. So let's have a quick go here. Limit order. 61.81, just so it goes through. My lowest is 62, so we're getting a nice little discount there. It might go a bit lower. This is my long-term hold. 62.81. Review order. Buying power available at the Roth IRA. 61 buy. There we go. 61.81. That's a nice drop today on Coca-Cola. For my Roth IRA, I have lowered my average there. Just got a bit more. We'll go back to my main brokerage account. That's long term. You keep that for 5 to 10 years. J&J is also going down. This is also one for my Roth IRA as well. Let me just have a quick look at this. It's down over the month now. I'm starting to get a bit of a nibble there. Coca-Cola is good. They pay a good dividend. Yes, I bought it in my Roth IRA though, so it's very different than my main brokerage account. J&J, that's good. That's good. We're coming on a dip. Roth IRA. Back to there. Buy J&J. Limit order. 174.12 just to make sure it goes through. I'm going to buy one share there. 600. Good for the day. 174. Review the order. That's in my buying power on the Roth. This again will be left there for a lot. Left there permanently. Never sold. 17408. There we go. Bring it back to my general brokerage account. Tomorrow we might get some dips, so I'm going to go through. In fact, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that now. Actually, let's flip back to tech. It's flipping back to tech from dividend stock, says Valentine C. Let's put him on the screen. My plan is to max out my ISA at the S&P this year. Yes, exactly what I'm doing. They get a 1% match on Robinhood. I'm bringing $2,000 a month in. So by April, I should be able to max out my 2022, $7,000, and then I'll max out my 2023. I'm not going to sell it. These are stocks I'm never going to sell. And if I share with you my overall position, you'll see exactly what I've got here. If you've just tuned in, here's the invitation to join. You'll see we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube of live viewers who are members. Please become a member of our channel and you get 20 times back what you put in. Honestly, ask any of our members. It's why nearly everyone is a member of our channel. Please do go and check it out and you will see why everyone is a member. You get exclusive content, access to our Discord with all our top tips. You also get celebration of your birthday, 20-minute fundraiser. The list goes on and on and on. I'm here to work for you 10 hours a day. Your membership supports the channel. I don't make any money from going live. I only make money from videos. It's the YouTube members who keep these live streams live 10 hours a day. Plus, you get all the benefits which are there to support you. Okay? The overall portfolio is now up at 1.25%. Let's go through and set some limit orders now. So there was our top tip today from Ed Nevius. We'll close that one down now. That was available on Discord this morning. Many of you made money. Our lithium, we need to get into lithium. We haven't yet decided which way to go. The S&P 500, I'm fully invested in the... in my brokerage account. I don't need any more, but let me look at it on my Roth IRA. Right now, my Roth IRA, I only have one at 354. It's gone up today, so I'm at 1.61. So what I want to do, I've got $524 left in my Roth IRA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a limit order to buy another S&P 500. Limit price, I paid $354, so I want a discount. To buy any more, I want a pullback. So we're going to go to, let me think, 354. I would like to get it for... Let me have a look. Let me go back and see over the last few months. 340. We might get a pullback tomorrow, so I want to be ready if we do. The lowest we've had is 330. That was my lowest I've seen this year. I don't think we're going to go there, but let's go for 340. So let's see if we can get 340 tomorrow on the drop. So there's 340. One share. Good for the day. Good till cancelled, allowed to execute in after hours in the Roth IRA. I want that, and that will never be sold. If I get 340, that'll be an all-time low for me on my Roth, and it will be left there forever. So review the order. $340, which is a big discount from here. 1 share, good till cancel, allowed to execute, and the Roth IRA. Review the order. Buy. That's now set there. Okay, done. I don't need any more in my general brokerage account. Let's move along. How many people are watching me right now? We've got 47 watching, 40 likes. If we get to 100 likes during the show, subscribe and ring the bell. We will give away a cash prize at the end of the show. Plus, we've got Day Trader of the Day as well. So smash the like button. We're on the way up. While we're watching this, if you want to become a YouTube member and get all our exclusive benefits, exclusive content, happy birthdays, 20-minute fundraisers, live concerts, so much more. There's the invitation to join. You can always cancel if you don't like it, but no one ever does. Here is our Discord. It's free to enter Discord. Then you can talk to all our traders 24/7. It takes 10 minutes to get through. There is the Discord in the link, in the chat, sorry. Right, moving along. Virgin Galactic. Now then, Virgin Galactic in my main brokerage account. It's going up. I would like to buy some more. Not a long-term play. It's not part of my Roth IRA. I don't know if it's going to be around in 10 years. We don't know. Things might change. So let's set a limit order. My average is 407. So let's set a limit order. In my main brokerage account, I've got $2,500 to spend. Limit price, we want to get this for $390. $390 to lower that average. We're at 407 right now. And all we're going to do is set 10 shares. In fact, I'll do a bit more than that. I'll do like 50. No, I won't. Somewhere in between, 25. Just to alert me so then I can buy more as it goes lower. So 390 if we get that. And we'll start bringing our averages down. So there we go. Buy, allow to execute, because that could go off in the morning. A limit price. Good for the day, good till cancelled, and allowed to execute in the after hours. Right, it's a small position. Review the order. Buy. Now, that is in the main brokerage, not the Roth, okay? So if it goes lower during the day, I will get it. Done. Only one place Virgin's heading to the bottom of the ocean, says Paul B. Who wants to know who Paul B is? This is Paul B live on the show. Here he is. If you want to call in.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Right. I'm not going to put anything in my Roth IRA for that. Virgin Orbit. Now, the same thing. Buy Virgin Orbit. Well, they're now telling everybody that they're scheduling flights. So we're moving up now. They're going to fly again soon. That's what they said on Twitter. I thought it'd be a year. So I was wrong there. But that's optimistic for me. So I like the fact I want to get in. So let's go Virgin Orbit. Buy, and again, this is in my general portfolio. A limit order, and this time again. And my average is 170. So I want to get it now for, I think it's going to go lower, $1.60. Let's go. We want a nice big discount tomorrow in the CPI. If we get a flash crash, we want to be there. So I will get slightly more this time. At 160, I will probably go... let me have a look. I will go... Yeah, because we're pretty much at the bottom now. It's been as low as... let me just check it. 150. Yeah, if we get 160... I'll buy 100 shares, and then that will remind me to look at maybe buying some more. But so there we go, 160 shares, 100, good for the day, good till cancelled, allowed to execute. See, it's going down now. It might end up doing that right now, actually. So review the order, not my long-term investment, and buy Virgin Orbit at 160, lower than average. There we go. Moving along. Paul B. Oh my God. Starts on Teslas is absolutely ridiculous. How quickly it delivers power and rockets off. Literally the silent speedster. Don't buy Vor. Buy Rocket Labs. I'm going to look at Rocket Labs in a minute. Let's Paul B, if you want to call in, then we can obviously update your audio. Yep. If anyone wants to call in, any YouTube members want to call in, you can call in live to the show. Virgin Orbit. Let's move on. Rivian. Now then, we've got a nice position here. I'm up 2%. Buy Rivian in my main brokerage account at a limit order. My all-time low now is 1706. My average is 1706. My lowest was 1619. Let's did we see $16 at all? Did we ever see $16? Tomorrow we could get a big crash. So $16, and I will double my position if that happens at 16. At $16, that would be our lowest. What is the all-time low? The all-time low was 1584. Okay. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute in after hours. 352. That would double my position at $16. Okay. Review that. Buy that. Okay. Rivian. If it goes to $16. Moving on. I don't want it in my long term. Tesla. Now, Tesla, I made a profit around the price where we are now. I want to buy it back in my Roth. I think it's a long-term play. So let me look on my main Roth IRA. I've got $184 available in my Roth at the moment for an all-time low. I bought it in at 116 on my, that is my lowest. So I'd like to buy Tesla, a limit order, and I will buy another 116. I'd like to set it for lower, but I think we've seen it now. I don't think it's going to go down there again. 116. Whoops, 116. I'd buy another one. Long-term investment. I've only got that amount of money. Oh, no, not two, just one. One. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute. 116. That will be slightly lower than last time. There we go. So let's review that order in the Roth. Okay. I'd also like to get some in my trading position as well. Again, that's what I'm going to leave permanently, the Roth. Let's go and look on the main brokerage account now. I've got $1,800. Now, I've got 5 shares. It's not bad, but I would like to have a couple of grand. It's 2% of my portfolio. I want it to be about 5. So I've got a double position to make here, but my average is 112. I don't want to increase my average. I don't want to overspend on Tesla. I think we could get a crash tomorrow. I think it could do that. So my lowest is 103. I bought 103. Don't think we're going to go there again, but buy Tesla, a limit order. I'm quite happy to pay $110. That's not my all-time low. It's lower than my average. It will lower my average, but I do think that we could go there. So I'm going to go 110. And at that price, I would buy I'd buy 4. So that would, yeah, I'll buy 4. I like that. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute. Review the order. Buy. Okay. Natalie's $1,800 in cash. So I'm still earning, sorry, $1,400. I'm still earning 4%. Yeah, Kramer said it goes 16. I remember that. So there we go. There's my Tesla sorted out. Lucid is doing well. I've got a very small position. I'm up 26%. I'm not going to do a long-term play on that one. I'm not going to buy any more. 626. It would need to go. Buy Lucid. I'm going to set a limit order just on my main brokerage account, and this time I'll do the same price as before. No, I won't. I'll just, for the sake of it, I'll do 620, just for the sake of it, because tomorrow it could go lower. Okay, so at that position, if that happened, I'd buy 20. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute. Review the order. Okay. Lucid, not too much. Right, I'm just checking the broadcast lounge. Nobody in the broadcast lounge. We're up to 43 likes. If we get to 100 likes, we will do a cash prize giveaway. We've got 194 through the stream. We try to get to 200. It's time for a quick commercial break, and we'll carry on setting some more limit orders for tomorrow. We want to be prepared for tomorrow, okay? So here we go. Quick commercial break. Be back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, as a YouTube member, sponsorship level, you can be in this space. $99 a month, and that is 20 times a day, 10 hours a day, up over 20 different platforms. So phenomenal value, your logo, your information, and of course, your links will be below the video as well. So consider being a YouTube member. Here is the invitation to join as a YouTube member. And if you want to be on our Discord, it's completely free. If you are watching this show now and you want to support my music channel, I was voted as the World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. I've got a premiere, came out last night. If you missed it, it was from the darkness of my studio, Sounds of Silence. Here's the world premiere last night. Drop that in the chat. And also the YouTube playlist, you could have that running in the background while you're watching the show to try and save my channel from being demonetized. We're up to just over 3,350 watch hours now. We need to get to 4,000 watch hours within a 365-day period by the end of this month. There it is, and this is what it looks like. It's running in the background right now. There you go. Pretty cool video. I hope you like it. Let it run. Click the loop button here at the top. Really helps the channel and keeps me from being demonetized and supports this channel. All right? Thank you very much. Okay. So, going along, where did we get to? We got as far as Lucid. We're preparing for tomorrow's drop. Apple, I don't need to buy anymore. I've got a great position of Apple. I'm just leaving it long term. I don't want to buy any more because I've got plenty. What I will do, though, in fact, I'm not even going to set a limit order. I don't want to buy any more. It's 16% of my portfolio. I'm 9% down. I see it going up in a year from now, so I'm just going to hold it. I don't want to buy any more, though. I don't want to take away any more of my funds. However, let's go into my long-term position, my Roth IRA. I'm maxed out right now. There's only $68 available, so we're going to leave Apple for now. Amazon, a great position. I've got 17% of my portfolio is already in Amazon. Great company. And again, I'm 6% down, but that's getting better all the time. Really great. I'm not looking to buy any more. The average is getting closer. And I haven't got any money to spend yet in the Roth on any more Amazon, but I would like to do so. McDonald's, I've got one share. I want to get back in this. I like the dividends on it. It's good. I like to own it. I only have one share right now. I have made money on it. It's very expensive. It's 33 times earnings. It's expensive. If we can get it to go down, I will. So I'm going to set a limit order on McDonald's in my trading account. So let's go to McDonald's. If we can get my 259 is my average. It's going down right now, so it's getting better. 259. I've only got one, so we're starting again on this one. I have bought it. What was it? Where are we? 251. 259. If I can get another share for 250, I will do so. So let's limit price of 250, and we'll just do one share. And that's a nice drop from 259. Good for the dividends, good for the day, good till cancelled, allow to execute. I've got $1,300 left. I do want to get some McDonald's. If it goes down to 250, don't think it will, but you never know. Tomorrow could be a flash crash day. Buy McDonald's at 250. Let's come back to my comments. Church is now out to buy. What's going on here? The new law called contact information of family members, and they we got a discussion going on here between Paul B and Church on the gun subject. If you want to jump in on that one, that's in the chat right now. Moving on to Coca-Cola. So my average is 59. I've set a Roth IRA position. There you go. Did I set a limit order in here? I don't think I did. My average is 62. I only have 4 shares. 61 right now. This is my Roth position. I don't have... Let me just check a minute. This is 62. It's 61.71 right now. A bit of a discount there, down 0.5%. 62, 61. My long-term play, buy limit order 62. Just do it to 62. 62. 1. Good for the day. Review. I don't need to do it. So it'll go straight through now. 62.01, 61.75. Buy another one. All right. Coca-Cola purchased. There we go. There you go. My Roth IRA now is working for me. Nice. Lowered the average. Let's go back to my brokerage account. I've got a small position there now. If 59, we want to get it low if we can. Buy limit order 59. $59 shares 10. Hang on, if it goes to there. I think I'm pretty much 59.61. It could do that tomorrow. 59.10, 590. Allow to execute. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Review order. Review the order. If it goes to 59. If it goes to 59, I do want to load up on it a bit. Buy. Done. Okay. Now, J&J. I'm done now. I'm done for the minute. There's no more money really available. That'll do. That's got a few things in place. Google's doing good. I'm up now on Google. Microsoft is also up. I've got a reasonable position there as well. Walmart, It's way too expensive right now. It's made its money. Tesco, we're out of that at the moment, waiting for the big pullback again. We're in that one and we're up 1.4. Phase Energy. Yeah, that'll do for now. So all the buying orders are in place for tomorrow. We've received your order. I'm going to get rid of all these notifications now. We've received your order. We've received your order. These are all my notifications. This is what it shows on my phone. So I get notifications of what is happening. And I want to clear all these so I get the new ones when they come in, all right? Right, we've received your notification. Don't need that. Notification to buy. To buy. Received order to buy. We've received your order to buy. Good news, your order by 1 share. Sell. Okay, looking good. Over on my portfolio, we're up nearly 1%, $317, $315. Okay, nice. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. What are you on about? Ali Tisro is the director of my show now, telling me, end the show, roll the credit. That's what I need. I need a director to come on and roll the credits. Tell me when to end the show. That'd be good, wouldn't it? So we're up to 45 likes. We haven't quite made 100 yet. Nowhere near, in fact. If we get no one in the broadcast lounge at the moment, so let me check that. Yeah, the show is dead. The show is dead. Roll the credits. The show is dead. 200 people through the stream now. Fantastic. Great. So we're all set up for tomorrow's CPI. We need the cough back. There you go. The S&P's rising. Virgin Galactic, very nice. I've got a nice position now. Just 201. I know I used to have 2,000, but that was obviously with margin. That's not real. That's not real. Okay, this is real. This is my real money. I'm up nearly 4% now. I've got an order placed. If it drops, thank you for that nice cough. You're very welcome. It's my greatest pleasure. Greatest pleasure. Virgin Orbit. Orders placed. Agree, Pete Barker. Nobody believes it. Nobody believes what? Forecasts are predicting 6% interest rate, which is now above the higher end of Fed funds target of 5%. Be careful, as this will crash the markets. Hence why I am setting buy orders for tomorrow. So I'm fully invested. And let me share with you exactly what I mean by that. So it says here, I've got $485 in my buying power. I have way more than that. Look, the buying power is here. I have 2,573 pending orders, 2,000. So if we get a crash in the morning, I want to buy those dips. Okay? I want to make sure I do. And my Roth IRA is set as well. That's up now. Buying power, same thing, $6. But in fact, 456 is pending. You want to have your your cash available, but set for flash crashes. There is no point having your cash sat in your account doing nothing. That doesn't mean to say you've got to spend it, but you need it in your pending orders. Because if tomorrow morning, pre-market, Coca-Cola, a great company, drops 10%, I want to buy it. So it's worth remembering we're already down many of our companies, 50, 60, 80% over the last year. So don't just sit there and then try and chase the crash in the morning. You want those pending orders already in on the stocks that you've got to trade, my brokerage account, and then the stocks you want to hold forever. So my entire wealth now is 33.9, drum roll, 35.6. That's what I am worth. And I'm earning 4% on my uninvested cash, which is nice. I've got 1% match from Robinhood. I'm maxing out my Roth IRA up to 1,600 at the moment. So I'm maxing it out. Hopefully by April, I'll have 7 grand in there and I'll have maxed it out. That's the idea. That's the idea. 2022. Look, here we go. This is a great animation to show you. There you go. There's my Roth IRA. 25% earned. 1780. That 1780 is a gift from Robinhood. That was given to me for free, instantly, to do nothing. 1%, 1780. Churchy said, who cares about 1%? I love it. 1% free money. Look, they give me 1780, 5,220 until I get my maxed out, which hopefully I'll do by April, and then I'll start my 2023. But hopefully, by the time I get to $7,000, I'll have $70 of free money from Robinhood. Great. Love that. Love that. The CPI will be a trap. That's why you want to play it both ways. If CPI tomorrow comes in lower and the market rallies, I'm already in. I've got all my top stocks already invested. I've got plenty of money in the market. We could be up 5-6% tomorrow. Great. Brilliant. If, however, the CPI comes in bad and the market sell off, I'm already now in with my top stocks at those discounts. Okay. The CPI will be a trap, Mr. Clockwork. They will set off tomorrow. That's why bears need to be punished for making money. 1% is only good when you have 500,000 or more. No, it's not. 1% is 1%. If you've got $100 and if I've got $100 and someone comes up to me and gives me $1 for free, are you going to turn it down? Right. Okay. Hypothetically, put it this way. You are walking around with $100 in your pocket. $100 in your pocket, right? And someone randomly comes up to you in the street and goes, hey, mate, I happen to know you got $100 in your pocket. Would you like me to give you $1 for free? And you go, well, what have I got to do for that $1? Nothing. Just because you've got $100 in your pocket, I'm going to give you $1 for free. Do you want it? I'd take it. Who wouldn't take it? Who wouldn't take it? Who thinks 1% is rubbish? Who thinks 1% away? Who wouldn't take $1? I'm gonna do a poll. Yeah, here we go. Do a poll right now. Do a poll. Who would take a free $1? There you go. Yes or no? There you go. Would you take a free $1? There's $1. Just because you've got $100 in your pocket, I'm going to give you a free $1. And if you have $200 in your pocket, there's $2 for doing absolutely nothing just because you've got $2 in your pocket. I think Churchy is absolutely so far off the mark on that, it makes me laugh. Anyway, Martin, but a crash is going to be a 30% drop, not just a 5% pullback. And if that happens, that's fine. I've got more money coming in to my buying power. January the 11th. By January, what are we now? Wednesday. By Tuesday next week. By Tuesday next week, I will have another $500, and by Friday next week, I'll have another $1,000. So $1,500 is coming in extra for the 30% crash within the next 10 days. Okay, so good. Pound sounds better than a dollar. Yeah, all right, pound, Paul B. I would take it 1,000 times. Absolutely, $1 and buy a lotto ticket. Absolutely, there you go. Well, however, I'm not buying a lotto ticket. I'm leaving it in my Roth IRA. It's earning me 4% interest. It's going up. I love it. I think Robinhood's brilliant. Robinhood's brilliant. I tell you what, as well, Robinhood today earned a little bit of extra kudos from me. This whole Bitcoin SV debacle earns me a little bit of kudos. They've come on and acted responsibly in saying we're getting rid of BSV. I like it. That's protecting their customers. I like it. The good news is that pop is where I sold it. I held for it to go up. It hasn't continued to climb. It's not going to continue to climb. And I'm out. I sold my BSV this morning. I'm done with it. I'm out. Now, it doesn't matter. People keep saying, well, it could go to $1 million. I don't care about that. I don't care about it could go to $1 million. I'm not investing on hopery. I'm not investing on gambling or just picking out numbers out the sky. I'm not interested in any of that. All I'm interested in is a steady growth, a steady climb all the way to $200,000. That's all I'm interested in. Dreams of $1 million doesn't interest me whatsoever. You should sell. Church, I did sell all my BSV. It's all gone. I've sold it all. And I just invested it. Look. 0. I have 0. Unfortunately, it still shows on your account. But yeah, 0. Sold it all. Okay. Your portfolio is well diverse already. I think so. My portfolio, I'm very happy. Remember, my whole portfolio is very, very heavily insured and protected. 52% is the S&P 500, the best 500 companies in America. That makes sense to me. 15, 20% on average a year, with no risk whatsoever. A dividend. You know, we've had a year of being beaten up. Why would you not own the S&P 500 right now? I do not know why anybody wouldn't. Great. Okay. So there we go. We're all set now for the flash crash tomorrow. I've got some discounts in place. I've got more money on the way. So very, very happy. My overall portfolio now is it's moving up. Let's have a look at it now. Overall, I'm worth 35,000. That's all right, isn't it? That's all right. Okay. Where are we on the day? We're up on the day. We're up on the week. We are still down on the month by a long way, right? We're down 21%. But the year has started good. Year to date, we're up 3.47. 3.23. It's been a good year so far. It's been a good year. I am up this year so far. That's good. Great. 11 days now in a row, we're up. It's great. Started out the year great. Now, if I'd have kept my margin, I would have been up double this amount. I would have been up 6%. But you know what? I feel absolutely fine. Oh, hang on a minute. I just forgot something. My iPads aren't plugged in. Oh, my gosh. They're all gonna... Yeah, look. They've all gone offline. Oh my gosh, hang on. I've got to do this. I just realised that's offline, that's offline. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. There we go. Oh no! Yeah, they control different cameras, control different lights, all sorts of stuff. And there you go. I love it. All right, I'll tell you what we'll do. Just for a second then. I'm just in the mood for this. Just in the mood. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. Sometimes we just need to chill out and relax and get ready for tomorrow. So here we go, just for a few moments. All right, let's get back to trading again. Just took a little few moments out there because everything's looking good. We're relaxed, we're calm, prepared for CPI tomorrow. We're making money. Everything looks nice. Let's get back to the live trades again. So let's go over to that screen. There we go. And we'll be right there in just a couple of seconds. All right. There we go. Let's do day trader of the day, I think. Let's bring that back up to the day position. We're getting a bit of a drop right now. Thank you ever so much, everybody. If you don't do anything else with your $1,500 that's coming your way, you need to add Rocket Labs. Yes, Rocket Labs. I am interested in space, so let me have a. Thanks for reminding me. Let me open it up. Duplicate. Let me have a look at Rocket Labs. I wasn't that impressed, as you know, with Virgin Orbit. Let's have a look at Rocket Labs. Thank you for reminding me, Pete Barker. Rocket Lab USA. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, 439. 80% buy, says analysts. Let's have a look. Let's look at here, down here. Expected February the 27th. Their earnings are consistent. Are they actually making money? No, they're losing money, but they're getting very close to making money, so they're doing better than Virgin Orbit. Let me compare that a minute. Let me compare Rocket Labs USA. Right, we're down here. I'm going to set a market share. We were talking about this the other day. So let's set a market share. Rocket Labs is poop, says Church of Logic. Let's have a look. Buy Rocket Labs. I'm just going to buy one to set it on my list of watches. Review the order. I just bought one, right? Okay, Rocket Labs. Don't buy Rocket Labs. Let's have a look. Anthony Mullen. I've just got one share to have a look at it. Let's have a little look. So let's compare that to Virgin Orbit. Another gimmick like Astra. Let's have a look. So Virgin Orbit losing at the moment 0.06. Their market cap at the moment, let's have a look. Market cap at the moment is 567 million. Whereas Rocket Labs is much closer to making money than Virgin Orbit is from that point of view. Let's look at the market cap. Oh, it's a $2 billion company. It's got much more money. It's a much bigger company. Its volume is 867 a day. Average is 2.9. 80% rating to buy. Let me go to Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit hasn't got a buy analyst, hasn't got an analyst review yet. Much lower volume. So we'll have a look at that. I'm going to go and do some more research in Rocket Labs. I've just bought one share for the sake of it. Anyway, let's have a look. I think Boeing is... Oh, we've got some information coming in here. Let's have a little quick look. We've got... I found you some competition on the piano. Look at Discord. Go to Discord. General chit chat, apparently. Paul B has sent me some competition on... what has he sent here? Oh, very good. Paul B has just sent this in. Apparently, this is my competition on Discord on piano. There you go. Look at that. It's a little dog. I like it. Paul B, that's very entertaining. There's my competition, folks. I'm now being trolled by a dog in a hat. I like it. Very, very funny, Paul B. I think Boeing is a good option for aviation, says Caden Youngquist. Boeing is interesting. I'm just not that much into into flights, planes and stuff like that. I just like rockets. Rocket Labs is poop, says Church of Logic. Don't buy yet Rocket Labs, says Anthony Mallion. Another gimmick like Astra, says Church of Logic. Rocket Labs is number 2 launcher to SpaceX. Is the number 2 launcher to SpaceX. Nothing like Astra. Blue Origin is number 2. Why are you going by analyst reviews? Why are you going? Well, I don't go by it, but I think it's important to read it. Look at balance sheets. I do that as well. How many launches have Blue Origin done? Look at estimates. Look at the last test results. Wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. Church, send some information on Discord. We'll take a look. We'll take a closer look. I mean, I'm not investing in it. I've just bought one just to set myself a marker. That's all. Let's not all get excited, right? All right. over there on TikTok. We've got 5,500 views. Let's see who our top TikToker is right now. We'll put you on the screen. TikTok. Let me share with you on TikTok. We had a little battle earlier to see who our top fan is. So there you go. If you smash the like, if you tap the screen like that, and you do some, what do they call it, gifting, you can be our #1 viewer on TikTok. Oh, hang on, that's not showing. Let me do that again. There you go. That's better. Sorry about that. You'll see it come live now. It wasn't streaming very well. There you go. It's working now. Sorry, Church, you're clueless about Rocket Labs, says Pete Barker. Pete, if you'd like to talk about Rocket Labs, call in to the show. You need to be a YouTube member, though. I have to focus on my YouTube members. Here's the invitation to join. Become a member. You can then call in live on the show, have your say. I'll review a stock. I'll do many things if you become a member. Here's access to Discord. That's free. You can talk and share your views as well in the general chit chat. There you go. In the welcome all, which is free. You think I know nothing? All right, I like it. We've got some excitement going on now in the chat. Rocket Labs, the S&P 500, Virgin Galactic is going up now. I've got 200 shares. It's 2.7% of my portfolio. That's very good. Virgin Orbit, we've got 4 shares of it right now. We're waiting to buy it lower. Rivian. Tesla. Oh, Tesla's dropping. Nice. It's up today, but it's dropping back. As a space fan, I'm offended, says Church of Logic. Oh, we've got some excitement going on now in the chat. Tesla, Lucid is up today. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, orders placed. Will we get some discounts? Coca-Cola, whoosh, going back down again. J&J. J&J has dropped considerably. That's a lot for J&J, folks. That's a lot. 3% down in the week now. It's at the bottom of its cycle. Over 3 months, it might go lower tomorrow. A very safe bet, this one. But it is trading at 24 times earnings. It's still expensive. It has been a lot more. Solid company. Good dividend. It pays a nice dividend as well. 2.53. It's good to own that. That's not bad. It's already in my Roth IRA. 1 share. I'm down 0.5% on it at the moment. I'd like to buy some more. It's a long-term play. I wouldn't mind actually buying... I haven't got any more available funds in my Roth, but I like that. I would certainly hold that forever, or at least 10 years anyway, when I'm going to retire. Let me go back to my brokerage account. Up 2.8. That is getting cheaper. 168. I'm looking at J&J. $172. We could get a nice little crash tomorrow. Available pre-market January 24th. That's why it's going down. The earnings is coming up. I wouldn't mind actually buying this. Buy J&J. I'm going to set a limit order. If we do get to that 168, I'm going to buy some. I don't know if it's going to happen. A limit order. 168. One share. No, change my mind. Change my mind. I'm not going to do it. Oh, yeah. I do want to own that. I do like that. If 168, I like that. Okay, 168, good for the day. Yeah, good till cancelled. Allow, review the order. Yeah, in my main brokerage account, I'm going to buy one if it goes through at 168. Good till cancel 168. There we go. I'm just going to have that there just in case tomorrow we have a crash on that one. 168. That'll be a lower position for me. Good. You never know. 172. Just going to wait and see if it goes down there. Right. So we're up now. 0.97. Looking good. My overall position is, let's do day trader of the day right now, I think. There's my Roth. That's up. I don't think it's up all time yet. No, not yet. 35.6. I'm glad to be back at 35.6 again. Nice. Good. Okay. Let's do day trader of the day. If you've just tuned in, we didn't get to 100 likes a day, so there's no cash prize giveaway today. Subscribe or ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. And if we get 100 likes in the next few minutes, you never know. We might do, well, we will do a cash prize giveaway if we get there. All right, let's do day trader of the day. Go to your position and let's see who wins. Day trader of the day. Let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break so we're all up to date. Click the live button under the video. It should go from grey to red. If it's grey, you're behind the stream. Be back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube member and you are a subscriber, a sponsorship levels member, you can be in this space right now and you'll be seen 20 times a day, 20 different platforms for being a member of this channel. For being a YouTube member, that was awful, a sponsorship member. Completely forgot what I said there. You'll be in that space. All right, let's do it. Everyone's now up to date. Let's do the scores. So I'm up 1.07%. Let's see who wins. 1 minute on the clock. Okay, here we go. Up 2.08. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. 1.7 for me. 1.98 Sid. It looks like Ian Jackson is winning at 2% at the moment. Let's scroll down. Scroll up. We've got Family Squad at 5.44. Goes into the lead. Fusion is up 4.27. Flutter Edits is up 0.79. 5.47 says Lewis Martin. The Family Squad 5.61 goes into the lead. Some great scores here. JLRA is up 7.72. Shad is up 2.27. Congratulations, Shad. Looking very, very nice indeed. JLRA is up today 7.72. I think we got a new guest. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in? I'm from the UK. and 2% from Stephen Lewandowski, 3% from Pete Barker. I'm from the UK, even though my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to you. Let me give you a wave. There you go. Nice to have you here. Would everybody please put your city and country in, welcome our guest in. If you'd like to be more part of our show, you can. We have a membership plan which is here to help you. It supports the live channels. I don't make money from doing live shows. I'm here to build what I want, the best, most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. That's my aim. There's the invitation to join. It's free to access Discord. You can call in and do all those wonderful things and talk to our traders and investors about all their top tips. That's free. Anyway, JLRA, thank you for your honest trades. Give them a thumbs up and congratulations to you. Here we go. Excellent stuff. You are our winner today. Awesome. Let's have a little look here. From LEX, says Flutter. Show proof, says Paul B. Show some proof. Indianapolis says that Family Squad. Nice. Congratulations. California. Welcome to California. Awesome stuff. Welcome, Palm Bay, Florida. There you go. Here are all the welcomes coming in. Consider being a member, and I promise you'll get a great warm welcome. And you will really love being a member. That's why 95% of our live viewers are members. We have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. Mr. Beast, biggest channel in the world, one of the biggest channels in the world, is 8 to 9%. We have 95% of our live viewers are members. It's a very committed family. Okay. BIOR, moving again. Brilliant. I'm up to date, 1.16 now. It's improving. So we're going to end the show. We've got some videos coming out this afternoon as well. If you would like to check out my premiere from last night, if you missed it, this is the world premiere last night of Sound of Silence from the darkness of my studio. I hope you like it. And if you are also a fan of the show, my playlist that came out yesterday was the YouTube playlist that I've recorded in my studio. This is not YouTube singing, by the way. It's me singing. Here is the playlist. Let it run on loop. We're trying to get to 4,000 watch hours because my channel is in danger by the end of this month of being demonetized. Because of you, 3 weeks ago, we were at 2,700. We've now just passed 3,300. We've only got 700 or 650 to go. So thanks to all of you for doing that. I appreciate it. This is what the video looks like. It's a cool video. I hope you like it. This is the video. Whoops-a-daisy. Where's it gone? There you go. This is the video that I made, the YouTube video. Go and check it out. That's running on loop right now. So you can go and check that out. Right. The portfolio is rising now. I'm at 1.2 in the last few minutes. Buy net, but now I'm back in Lexington. Flutter edit. Space doing well. Yes, it is. Rocket Labs. The S&P. Virgin Galactic is now up 6.49, 429 now. Very nice indeed. Got 201 shares of it. It's doing nicely. I'm waiting for a pullback though to buy some more if it goes lower. Virgin Orbit, same thing. I've got a pullback there if it goes lower. Rivian, 1694. Tesla. Space is doing well. Must have forgot Bezos was in space already. Says Church of Logic. Love Florida, originally from Ohio. All right, that's it. If someone says roll the credits, I'll be out of here. Thanks for all the comments, everybody. The overall portfolio is now zipping up the line. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. Up 1.2 now. Right. Roll the credits. Okay, thank you guys. I'm going to roll the credits. I'll see you back in the closing bell this afternoon. Please keep my music channel alive. If you can run it in the background, it helps me enormously. And I appreciate that very much indeed. Okay. But now it's time to roll the credits. Here we go. Let's see who gave a super chat today. I don't think we got any super chats or anyone. Did anyone subscribe to Twitch today? It's free using Amazon Prime Gaming, and if you do that, you'll be in our free prize draw on the first Friday of the month. I basically give away the subscription money Here is Twitch. It's free to subscribe using Amazon Prime Gaming, and the money I make, I give to you for free on the first Friday of the month. There is Twitch in the chat. All links for everything is below all my videos, of course. If you want the all links button and you want all my free stocks that my sponsors give to me, you can claim them. There is the all links button. You can follow my Twitch and Twitter and LinkedIn and everything else on there as well if you want to. Okay, I'm going to roll the credits, get out of here. See you all back in a short while. In the meantime, let's roll the credits and let's see who took part in today's show. Okay. Stars of the show, thanks for your support. Subscriptions, Alex Garcia, they're the only public ones. And members, Anthony Mallion and Mark Korn celebrated their memberships, plus Mark Korn has now been a member for 11 months. It'll be 12 months any day now. Thanks to all of you guys. Looking really good. We'll be back here this afternoon for the closing bell. Look out for the premieres that'll be out shortly. In the meantime, I want to thank everybody on TikTok. I want to thank everybody on Livestreamer Cafe, everybody on Twitch, Twitter, wherever you're watching this afternoon. Thank you very much indeed. Until next time, see you back in a bit, and we'll have this. Pete Barker, if you become a YouTube member, we can verify your information. You can continue the conversation on Rocket Labs in detail on Discord. You can call into the show. You can share your information about Rocket Labs, and you can have a say. Right now, you're not a member. You're not showing any information, so we can't really, take what you say seriously at the moment. But Church of Logic is a member. Is a passionate member of our channel, also moderator, contributor to the channel, and we'd love to engage with you in a more positive way. Just please share your information and get involved. In the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other.